Hey guys, it's Gina, and today I'm sharing my Apple Watch Series 11 GPS 46 millimeter in black aluminum with the black sport band. I love how sleek and lightweight this is. And I gotta actually say, this is not mine. This is actually my son's, and he's letting me borrow it to show you here. It has this big, large 46 millimeter display, which really makes it easy to glance down and see what you're looking at. I can use it, or he uses it to time himself, to track workouts, to count steps. He uses it for texting, to be able to reply back to people to text, to monitor the heart, to get your sleep score, all types of daily activities. Now, to switch up the look, he did get this beautiful stainless steel watch band, and I want to show that here. It really makes, I mean, to me, it just really pops the way it looks on, like on screen. And I want to make sure that you can see that and see the linkage. And this is stainless steel in black. So whether you prefer the sporty vibe and want to have the band that it comes with, or you want something more dressed up, I really think this is a look that guys are going to like. What you need to understand is the Series 11 is so much faster than any of the Apple Watches you might have tried before. It's definitely a good find and definitely something I think you want to check out.